Dear kids, hope you all are doing well. So, once again, welcome back to our online classes. For today's class, I have chosen a very interesting topic from your grammatical portion, and that is articles. Miss has already mentioned the name of our topic on the board, as you can see here on your screen. It's articles, okay? Before starting the class, please have your exercise book with you. By having your exercise book at your hand, you can follow Mrs. class and instructions properly, and you can note the answers down right now with me. So I hope you have already taken your all the particulars with you to attend this class. Okay, so let us go through the class here. So what is article? Before solving any questions from articles, we should know the definition first. What is article? Article is basically is a word that comes before noun. Okay, basically article comes before what? Comes before noun. And what is noun? Noun means the name of anything. That means before any name, if you can see a very tiny word, or if you can see something, that means it's an article. Okay, babies? So basically an article is a word that defines or modifies the noun. So it defines or modifies the noun. So to say article is basically working with noun, or it indicates it indicates specifically the to define the noun, or to modify any noun. That means any name. Okay, babies? So basically in English grammar there are three articles. Okay, these are a, n and the. But we are going to discuss a and n. Okay, babies. Though in English grammar there are three articles, but for now we will go through only a and n. Okay, babies. So to say, an article is a word that comes before a noun. An article is a word that defines or modifies the noun. In English, there are three articles, a, n, and the. So an article is a word that comes before a noun. So here see, for example, I have written, I ate an orange, you got a pen. Can you see in the example, I ate an orange. I ate an orange. Here, before orange, here article is an. So orange is a noun, isn't it? Of course it's. So here, as orange is a name of a fruit, so orange is a noun. As here, can you remember the line, an article is a word that comes before a noun? That means before a noun, if there's something, it is the article. Okay, so I ate an orange. Miss has drawn a underline here after n. Okay, so to make you understand that yes, n is the article here. Okay, so before orange, here what comes? N. So n is a article here. So after that we got, you got a pen. You got a pen. You got a what? Pen. So what is the noun here? Pen. Before the noun pen, what is there? Is it a? Yes, a is the article here because it comes before what? It comes before noun. So here pen is the noun, and before pen, a is the article here. So we can say that before the noun, if we see any a or n, it will be the article for that line. Okay, babies. So let us see when to use a and when to use n. As a and n, they both are articles and they both are indefinite articles, but we have to identify, we have to know where to use correctly a and where to use correctly n. Okay, babies. So I hope you all have your exercise books with you so that you can note it down right now. Please look at the board. So here see, the instruction is use a and n with singular nouns. What is singular? Remember, singular means only one. If you are being asked to make sense about one thing, that means it is singular noun. Okay, if it is more than one, if it is greater in number, That means it is not singular, it is rather it's a plural number. So before plural number we can never use the article a or n. Okay babies, a and n, these articles only be used before singular noun or singular number. What is singular number? If you are you can make sense about one thing, only one thing, then before that you can use a or n. A and n, they mean it is one. Okay, they basically refer one thing, only one thing. I repeat, a and n, they basically refer one thing. Here you can see in the examples, she is a girl. A girl means one girl. This is an umbrella. This is an umbrella. Here an umbrella means one, only one umbrella, single one umbrella. Then you are a good boy. You are a good boy. So you here, not all of you, just you. That means only a specific person. So you are a good boy. A good boy means one good boy. Give me an apple. Give me an apple. Here an apple means only one apple. Okay babies, so here a and this all these are the articles for singular noun. Okay, so what do we understand here? We understood that if it is a girl, an umbrella, a good boy, an apple, that means it indicates only one girl, one umbrella, one good boy, one apple. Okay, so use a and n with singular noun only. Okay, before the plural number you can never put a or n, as a or n they basically define only one thing, so you can't put it just before plural noun. You should put it before the singular noun. Okay babies, so let us see where to basically use a and where to basically use n. Okay, not every time we can put a and n both at the same time in the same gap. Okay, so we need to basically clarify, or we need to know clearly that where to use n and where to not use n, or where to use a and where to not use a. Okay, so here see the direction. Use an if the next word starts with a vowel. We all know what are the vowels. Okay, there are basically 5 vowels and in English alphabets. Okay, so here a, e, I, o, u, these are the 5 vowels in English alphabets. Okay, so before any vowel, so before a, I, e, o, u, we need to use vowel, we need to use the article n, an. Okay, can you see in the examples? This is an entertaining show. This is an entertaining show. Here the entertaining word starts with e. Here the word entertaining starts with e. Okay, if I make a circle on e, then you can highlight the point. The e is a vowel. Is it a vowel or consonant? Of course e is a vowel. So before e, what should I put? N or a. N, as our rule says us use n if the next word starts with a vowel. So here this is an entertaining show. After n, what's the next word started with? It's e. E is a vowel. So before vowel, what should I put? I should put a or n. Before vowel, every time before any vowel, I should put what? I should put n, n. Okay, I should put what? I should put n, every time before the vowel. So here in the word entertaining, e is a vowel. So to say, before entertaining, we put n here as the article. Okay babies? Then see, I bought an ice cream. I bought an ice cream. Here ice cream starts with what? I. It starts with I, and I is a consonant or vowel. Remember the vowels a, e, I, o, u. So I is a vowel or consonant. I is a vowel. So if the next word starts with I, that means if the next word starts with vowel, then what should I put as article? N. I should put n before the vowel. So I bought an ice cream. The next one is, that is an ink pot. Here again the word inkpot starts with I, and I is a vowel. That's why before vowel I have put what? I have put N as its article. Okay, so if we get any vowel, if the next word starts with vowel, any of the vowels like A, E, I, O, U, any of these 5 letters, then of course we should put N as the article. We should not put A. Okay, if we can see any vowel just be at the very first letter, at the very first place of a word, then of course before the vowel we should mention N as the article. So let us see when we should put A as the article. It was for N. Now we are going to discuss how we can understand that we should use A, or we should put A as the article before a word. Okay, babies? So here you can see use A if the next word starts with a consonant. If the next word starts with a consonant, I mean vowel means A, E, I, O, U. But if the word doesn't starts with A, E, I, O, U, that means if it starts with something else, that means it's the very first letter of that word is a consonant. Consonant means except A, E, I, O, U, rest of the letters in the English alphabet like B, C, D, F, G, H, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, Z, this all are basically consonant. Okay, so if a word starts with consonant, so just before the word, what should I put as article? I should put N. No, as before vowel we have used N, so here before a consonant we should use A. We should use A. Okay, so let us see some of the examples concerning using of A. So here in the example you can see this is a car. This is a car. So here the word car starts with vowel? No, it starts with C. So C is a vowel or consonant. C is a consonant. So as car starts with a consonant, so before consonant, according to the rule, before consonant we have to place A as the article. So next one is he is a boy. He is a boy. Here in the word boy, B is a consonant. So before consonant we have put A here as the article. So I sang a song. In the last example, here song starts with S, and S is a vowel or consonant. S is a consonant. So before consonant, what should we use? We use A as the article. So in this way, so use N before the vowel and use A before the consonant. And remember, A and N, that means only one thing, and A and N should be placed before only singular numbers, okay, or singular nouns. So that's all for articles. We will meet on the next class with the different question pattern concerning the articles, that how a question can appear in your exam or in your next class from article. I would like to discuss on it on the next class. Okay, babies? So till then, stay well and take care.